Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen shears. All-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty H super sharp kitchen shears, valued 2-pack in one set, comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensil set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades, easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, BBQ, food packing bags, and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle, microwave food cover. Perfect match. Electroc microwave food cover and mat tench. Mat is bowl holder to grab food immediately. Cover to keep clean microwave top and 4 sides. Mat to keep clean glass turntable. And with the mat, no burning, no waiting. Multi-purpose. Microwave cover as colander and washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat as microwave mat, silicone trivet, pot holder, utensils rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster, meat thermometer, instant read food thermometer. Our instant read thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use, from barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Jar opener. Easy and effective. With the lid opener mounted securely, our proven V-shape method grips the lid using its sharp dual carbon steel teeth, allowing the opener to do the work rather than your hands and wrists. Opens any lid. The grip opens any jar lid or bottle cap effortlessly. Invented by our grandfather, it's been helping folks make life easy in the kitchen again for over 40 years. Same design, same quality materials, still never fails. It works. Unlike other jar openers, the grip never fails. Rubber jar openers slip and strain. Handheld jar and bottle openers are ineffective and take up drawer or counter space. Robotic jar openers are bulky, expensive, and malfunction. And any other under cabinet can opener will not last. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8-inch chef's knife, H slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, H serrated bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for 2 types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains 2 sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you remove the air from your mason jars and extend the life of your stored food. Easy to use, the cordless vacuum sealer with standard mouth sealer converter kit is suitable for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars not included. Make sure the electric vacuum sealer is centered and pressed firmly against the lid of the jar. Kitchen mat. Premium material. Matitude kitchen mat is manufactured from superior material that is safe to your family. Premium material withstand the test of time and help keep their shape, even with extended and heavy use. Comfortable. The 0.40 inches anti-fatigue kitchen mats are ergonomically engineered to provide a perfect blend of soft texture and firm support. Standing on it feels like walking on a firm but soft cloud. Classic and versatile. The 2-pack rugs for kitchen are measured as 17.3 into 47 inches and 17.3 into 29 inches in dimension. The pattern and color complement kitchen nicely and make the foam mats perfect for home or commercial use. Egg cooker. Kawu egg cooker, Kawu egg boiler, priority launch egg cooker, 4 egg on egg rack every time, plus 2 egg in egg bowl every time. Kawu egg cookers will put various sizes. As we all know, on the market from small egg cooker models to large 14 egg capacity ones. Consider almost daily typical needs. Kawu egg cooker is also a yogurt maker, your great choice for making nutritious breakfast anytime and anywhere. 2025 Hand Blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500 milliliter chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt. Heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly. Cutting board. Excellent quality. As one of the best cutting boards, this 304 stainless steel cutting board from the metal cutting boards for kitchen category offers unmatched durability. Designed as a large meat cutting board, it's ideal for handling raw meat, poultry, or vegetables. While minor scratches on the stainless cutting board surface are normal after use, its rust-resistant steel core ensures long-term reliability. Clear zoning. The double-sided cutting board features a wheat straw PP side with engraved zones for fruits, vegetables, and a stainless steel cutting board side for raw meat, wheat straw PP. With 10% increased thickness, this double-sided stainless steel cutting board is beneficial for clearly distinguishing the usage areas for raw meat and vegetables. It ensures safer meal prep. Saving time design. This steel chopping board for kitchen combines convenient to save cooking time functionality with a deep juice groove, holds 200 milliliters, and a built-in garlic grinder. The stainless cutting boards for kitchen side handles heavy-duty tasks, while the textured PP side grips ingredients. A meat cutting board and veggie prep station in one. It streamlines cooking.